What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another cool video. My name is Kristian Quincosa, and today what we're going to be talking about is the $1 million Facebook ad scripts, and I'm going to give you examples. So if you've seen my previous videos, I talk about um, I have a video titled something along the lines of this Facebook ad script made millions. So I kind of break down the script there. Today I'm going to show you actual examples of clients' scripts that we've used in the past. So before I jump into that, I want to give you kind of like a little overview. Um, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But also, I talk a lot about the 3 E's of advertising on this channel, and that came from Billie Jean. That is who I learned it from. So this is not my information. I learned this about 6 years ago, and all this information still holds true to this day. We still use it every single day in our ads. Now, the 3 E's of advertisements are all around content, and I'm going to shorten this. So if you've seen this before, I'm going to shorten this. If you want to see me explain it in depth, go to that video that's titled what I said earlier. But it will be the entertain, educate, execute. Those three are going to be the main three components that you are going to use in all your pieces of content for the ads. And this is primarily for video ads, right? So these scripts are for video advertisements meant to be shot like selfie style, nothing crazy, no fancy cameras, none of that stuff. So to keep it short and sweet, entertain, this is where we grab attention. We grab attention. I'm going to put ATT there. So that's where we grab attention. We get loud. We use props. Hey, before you guys skip this ad, or we say, hey, if you're a business owner doing over 30 grand a month, like I want to grab their attention using the entertain factor. Educate is where we add value, and we inform or we inform people on who we are, what we do, what we offer, right? And then execute is going to be the call to action, meaning hit the link down below, so on and so forth. So all of these three pieces are key, and you want to do them in this order. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get into actual examples. So I'm going to share my screen here. We're going to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different examples, some different industries. So let's roll right into it. So this is a roofing industry, right? Hey, my name is Kristian, and I want to get you a new roof, possibly even 100% covered by your insurance. So that's our hook. That's our attention grabber. And we told them to record this either on a roof, in front of a house, in the middle of a street, something that's going to grab attention and where you could throw your hands in front of the camera, maybe put some tools in front of the camera. Make sure you're stopping the pattern, right? It's called a pattern interrupt. People are scrolling, they're scrolling, boom, they see your stuff, and you're a wild dude with a bunch of tools. So, hey, my name is Kristian. I want to get you a new roof, possibly 100% covered by your insurance. We just wrapped up a project here in insert town name in Miami, and we want to take care of your project next. They called us because they had hail damage, and they were able to have us do the job 100% covered by their insurance. If you have wind, rain, hail damage, let us come take a look 100% for free. Hit the link down below, submit your information, and we'll call you ASAP to get your free inspection booked. Hit the link down below and sign up. So if we're going down the 3 E's, we got entertain at the top, right? We're calling them out. We're grabbing their attention. We're on a roof. We're somewhere. That's attention grabbing. And then this is the education part right here. That's the education part. So we entertained, we educated. These are punchy, direct response scripts. If you guys want to see longer scripts, drop it down in the comment. I'll give you some longer scripts where you could add a little bit more value. I'll give you kind of like an insight into it today, but hit the link down below. That's your call to action. That's the execute part. So you see every single piece of content that we create has those three elements. And like I said, they hold true to this day. So script number 3, we change the hook up a little bit. We keep the middle a little bit the same, the education part, and then obviously the execution. But trying out new hooks to continuously test your ability to grab attention. And the best way to do that is to check how many people view over 3 seconds of the video. That's one of the filters on your Facebook ads. So new roof, we can get it, and we can get it 100% covered by insurance. Same exact concept. You're on a roof, you got the tools, you're trying to grab the attention. My goal for this video is for you guys to grab these and implement them into your business so then you can leave comments talking about how amazing it works for you. So new roof, and we can get it 100% covered by your insurance. My name is Kristian, and if you have a roof that has wind, rain, or hail damage, I want to help you out. We're offering free inspections for a limited time. How does it work? You hit the button down below, enter your information, we book an inspection, and we come take a look. And if you qualify, we can have your roof 100% covered by your insurance. Boom, boom, boom. Then you go into the pitch or into the call to action. So you're grabbing the attention, you're educating them on who you are, what you do, what you offer, and then you're wrapping it all up in a call to action. Hey, if you want what I'm talking about, hit the link down below and let's move forward. And then I'm very specific, right? Like if you see this script right here, hit the link down below, submit your information, and we'll call you ASAP to get your free inspection booked. So being extremely transparent and exactly what's going to happen throughout the process is cool, because the client knows that you're going to call them, text them, whatever you say in the video is going to happen. So the prospect knows what's coming. They're not guessing. It's not, hey, hit the link down below and secure your free inspection. And then they don't know if they're going to get called, text, if they're going to get an email, if they have to book on a calendar. They don't know. So we want to make sure that they know everything here. Now, if we go down, let me just check this one thing here. Got it. So let's go to the next one. Let's let it load, baby. There it is. So as you can see some of my notes here. There we go. So if you're looking for a deck to spend time on this spring and summer, look no further. So this video, you want to shoot this in front of a deck that you're building. These are deck builders out in Texas. You want to shoot this video in front of decks. Either one that's half built, one that's fully built, maybe in front of your office where you have a bunch of decks on display. So if you're looking for a deck to spend some time on this spring and summer, look no further. Remember, you're putting your hands out, you're grabbing tools, you're grabbing some level of a prop, a whiteboard with something written on it to grab their attention. My name is Kristian from Lavelle Decks, and this spring and summer, we will have the best prices in Texas. They could do that because they price match. They beat anybody. We can do anything from skirts to screened-in patios. Best part is we offer rent-to-own on all our builds. So if you don't have all the money right away, we can set you up with a rent-to-own program for as little as $100 a month. So we grab their attention, we give them the who we are, what we do, what we offer, and then we go for the pitch. If that sounds fair to you, hit the link down below, submit your information, and we're going to give you a call ASAP to hook you up with a free quote. Talk soon. If I were to change this, I'd probably add another call to action after the talk soon. So after I say, if that sounds fair to you, hit the link down below, submit your info, and we'll give you a call ASAP, talk soon, I'd say hit the link down below again. But we're following the same exact process. I want you guys to grab this process and implement it. Let's go to the next one. So this one's for the tax industry. And while it loads, there it is. So while it loads, or now that it's loaded, in the tax business, you have the front half of tax season and the back half. The front half is everybody that wants to get all their refund money in quick. The back half is all the people that owe taxes and might not want to pay them, right? So we switch the scripts mid-season to make sure that we're targeting the right people at the right time of the market. So here we go. Small business owners, self-employed with 1099, barbers, servers, Uber drivers. So we're doing a massive call out. This specific company has offices that are yellow painted on the inside. They got a nice logo. They wear yellow polos, very attention grabbing. So we record these either inside the office or outside the office right in front of it. I want to help you reduce your tax liability. Don't put it off. Don't ignore your taxes. Let me take care of you the right way. My name is Kristian from Safe Tax Penn Branch. We have over 25 offices nationwide. We beat TurboTax H&R Block every single time. Hit the link down below and let's get you taken care of. Boom. Grab their attention. We give them some information on what we do and then tell them exactly what to do. Here's script number 2. If you're scared about how much you owe in taxes, give me 15 seconds. My name is Kristian from Safe Tax. We do things right here. If you're a small business owner, self-employed with a 1099, barber, server, hit the link down below. Let's get your taxes done the right way. We stay up to date with all the new tax credits and laws to ensure that you have the lowest tax liability and the biggest return if you qualify. Don't wait any longer. Let me help you with your taxes. Hit the link down below. Same exact process. Entertain, educate, execute. Entertain, educate, execute. I'm pretty sure, I think 90% of you guys aren't subscribed. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. I love it. I post videos like this every day. In fact, I am so committed to it that I recorded this whole video, no audio, jump back in after one of you guys that saw it sent me a DM and said, hey, it has no audio, bang, and I'm recording it for you guys so I could drop it on the same day. I post videos every day, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. Next one. We have 1, 2, so we got 4 more including this one. And we're going to go over different industries. I don't know what industry this is that's popping up. We'll know exactly when it comes up. Which one is it? Bing, bang, boom. So anyways, we have tiny homes, we have the insurance business, and then we have some credit business that we're going to go through. So this is same exact avenue, right? Hey, are you a W-2 employee or self-employed? My name is Bree from Safe Tax West End. And if you file your taxes with us before March 16th, we could get you up to $7,000 same-day tax advance. So I don't want to go over this one again because we've done taxes already in the last one. But same exact concept. If you're self-employed and are worried about it, we minimize your tax liability. We beat TurboTax and H&R Block and all of these other online free tools that either don't get you the money you deserve or leave you owing thousands in taxes, right? So they're hitting a pain point in the education part. The process is simple. Goes to the call to action. Click the link, submit your info, and we'll give you a call ASAP to get your return back as soon as possible. We're going quick, punchy, to the point. We also have strategies that involve longer videos, 1 to 3 minute videos, and then it involves some retargeting where I talk about that in a couple other of my videos. If you guys want to see more of that, maybe some actual live examples of those type of scripts, make sure you guys drop it in the comments and let me know. So let's go over to the tiny homes. So these people sell tiny homes. They sell tiny homes in Texas and they ship pretty much everywhere in the U.S. Fun fact about this crew right here. 3 years ago, we started working with them. 3 years ago, they were doing $7 million a year in revenue. This year, actually last month, in 1 month, they hit $6.7 million in revenue. They spend about 20 to 30 grand a month in advertising with us across Google and Facebook. They're absolute killers. So as you can see, my little notes here says for this video, we want you to be in front of a tiny home finished out. A complete tiny home, meaning the inside, the kitchen, everything's done. And the energy in the video has to be high. So, hey, this is Colton over at Saddlebrook Life. Our main goal is to get you in the home of your dreams that fits your needs and looks exactly how you want it to. We have everything, education. We have everything from small 1 bed, 1 bath, X amount of square feet, all the way up to 3 2s with X amount of square feet. You can choose everything to your liking, from the color of the countertops, electrical, plumbing, floor plan. And then in here, you can see this would be good in a sales office to do a little cut through. So our process is simple. You fill out the form below, and one of these guys behind me in the sales office is going to contact you to build out your perfect tiny home and get you a quote. The whole process is about less than 15 minutes. Once you submit your information, be on the lookout for a text from one of these guys. So we're going in detail on exactly what they should expect. We don't do high pressure sales operation. Here. We are a family owned business that wants to help our customers find the right home for the right price. Short, simple, to the point, punchy. We got tiny homes. We're freaking kick ass at it. And if you want a tiny home, we're the ones to do business with. Hit the link down below. And we're showing you the tiny home. We're showing you the team. They got about 3 or 4 of their brothers on the actual sales team. The CEO and the COO are brothers. So it's all part of the brand. So let's go into the next one. This one's going to be in the insurance industry. I kind of like this look, the little dark on one side, light on the other. But I think it's a little bit too dark. It looks a little ominous. I'm having a little trouble with the loading speeds here today, but we're going on one shot, so I appreciate you guys for sticking around. First video was 20 minutes, so looks like we're gonna be right around there. Awesome. So, are you looking to get licensed in the life insurance industry? Call to action. Not call to action, excuse me, a call out. Hey, are you looking to get licensed in the life insurance industry? Here at Primerica, we pay for your coursework. What does that mean? Education. We literally cover the cost of going through the course that prepares you for your state exam to become a licensed insurance agent. Get through your course within 7 days, pass your state exam, become licensed. Best part is you will be able to get something, and I deleted it and I can't go back. You will be able to get something and get licensed. You will be running your life insurance business from the comfort of your home. If you hit the link down below, you'll be able to submit your name, email, and phone number. We'll reach out to you ASAP for your introductory call and get you enrolled. You got nothing to lose. Like I said in one of the last ones, I'd probably add another call to action right after you got nothing to lose. You got nothing to lose, so make sure you hit the link down below. And then last but not least, this is the credit business. This script is pretty awesome because it gets pretty aggressive. They have certain guarantees put into it, which is why we're so aggressive with the 50 points and the 45 days that you're going to see now. But I want to help you raise your credit score by 50 points in the next 45 days. If you're getting ready to buy a car or house, or you just need to get your credit right to have access to extra money, I want to hop on a call with you for free. Me and my team have helped over X amount of people fix their credit and get approvals like they deserve. So we're going through the value add, what you do, what you offer. Let's hop on a call to understand your situation, and we'll explain how we would go about fixing your credit. If you're tired of feeling stuck where you are and you're ready to fix everything so you can excel financially, hit the link down below. It's a 100% free consultation. Worst case scenario, you'll hop on a call and learn more about what to do, what you need to do to fix your credit. So we're literally telling them exactly what to expect on the call. Hey, we're going to give you everything that we're going to do to fix your credit. So if you hop on the call and you don't want to do business with us, worst case scenario, you grab everything and you go do it yourself. Here's a little bit of a longer one where I give the client an ability to insert 2 things that could help them. So at the beginning, first, right off the bat, hey, 2 things that you could do right now to fix your credit. You want to put the 2 things in there, obviously. Truth is, anyone can fix their credit. What is hard is knowing who to send the letters to, who to call, what to say, and all that fun stuff. My name is Ashton Henry, and I've helped over X amount of people not only fix, but build their credit. I've shared my tips with Steve Harvey and Grant Cardone. I want to help you. Let's hop on a call to understand your situation.